Hey, during this time of quarantine, wait for it, I'm calling it solitude. It's a much better word. I hope you're learning to work well, finding a new rhythm and routine, and I hope you're working creatively. I'm still writing and painting and working on projects and even tuned up the old guitar. My fingers are sore, but I played it some. So being out of rhythm or routine is like a loose end, but don't let it affect your attitude and your creativity. You usually grab your trusted Buffalo Jackson bag and you head out. You go to the coffee shop, your first meeting. You know, the bag is your real office, right? It's got your calendar, your list, your journal, your papers, your to-do list, the 2 cards you should have mailed yesterday. But now that you've got a little time, let's do some maintenance on the bag. We're going to start with the inside. We're going to clean it out, then the outside, clean it up, and then we're going to sort of chart a new path to some creative projects. Look, these bags are tough. They can easily become the top drawer. You know what the top drawer is, right? Everyone has one. Either the top of the dresser drawer or kitchen drawer or workbench or that old desk in the office like mine here. Pins that don't work go in there. Batteries you're not sure about. You know how to check batteries, right? Especially 9 volts. That's a good one. Keys that unlock doors in other cities you lived in. Business cards that you felt obliged to take and you tucked them away and now you don't remember who that person is. Receipts that are folded up you hope to someday write off. There's bolts, nuts, broken phone cords, adapters, thumb drives. It's pocket flotsam and jetsam. And you know somewhere down in there there's something sticky, and now's not the time to put your fingers in it and put it to your face to smell it. So take it all out of your bag, toss it, find out where it goes and put it there. If you like the pen and it writes, keep it. Don't like the pen and it writes, put it in a box for your kids. If you don't have kids, put it in the top drawer. Just get it out of your bag. What I do then is I take the bag and I turn it upside down over a cardboard box and I shake it. Now, I could shake it over a trash can, but I'll tell you, something that you want is hiding into one of those pockets deep down in there, in one of the folds of leather, I promise you. So instead of going to dig through the trash, just shake it into a cardboard box. Brilliant. If you have some wayward pens that have lost their head, a little cleaning cloth, that's in your top drawer, and some alcohol will get that ink loose on the inside. Test the spot first. Wash it up well, just a damp cloth. You're done for the day, that's it. Let it dry. We'll give it a good polishing and a buff tomorrow. Then we'll talk about in the next videos reloading it for some creative uses during this time of solitude. Look for some of our creative posts on simple repairs, things that you can do. Polishing out a few scratches on your bags or straps, buckles, rivets. We might even age a new bag to make it look well worn. So drop us a note and show us what you're doing, would you?